Ever wondered how crucial clean data is in decision-making? Well, let's dive in. Imagine you're a captain navigating a ship. To reach your destination, you rely on accurate maps, precise instruments, and clear skies. In the world of data, these tools are your clean, precise, and accurate data sets. Data-driven decisions are the compass guiding your ship. They lead to precision, ensuring you're on the right course. They foster efficiency, making sure you're not wasting resources on detours. They enhance competitiveness, keeping you ahead in the race. But the quality of your decisions is as good as the quality of your data. If your data is murky, your decisions might lead you off course. If your data is inaccurate, you might be steering your ship towards rocks instead of open water. So clean data isn't just a good to have, it's a must-have. But what if your data isn't as clean as you think? What if it contains noise? Noise in data, a term you might have heard, but what does it really mean? Well, imagine a radio station playing your favorite song, but it's filled with static. That static is akin to noise in data. It refers to random or inconsistent distortions that sneak in and muddy the clarity of your data. Now, where does this noise come from? It can worm its way into your data due to a variety of factors. Maybe there's human error, like a typographical mistake, or perhaps system glitches, like a malfunctioning sensor. Even environmental factors, like weather conditions, can introduce noise. Why should we care about this? Because noise can significantly affect the accuracy of data analysis. It's like trying to find your way in a foggy landscape. It's challenging and can lead to wrong turns. In the context of decision-making, this could mean acting on skewed insights. Noise in data can turn your valuable insights into misleading information. Now, you must be wondering, what impact does this noise have on your data and the decisions you make? Well, picture yourself navigating through a thick fog. You may have a rough idea of your direction, but the specifics, not so much. This is what noise does to your data. It clouds the clear vision of your data's direction, leading to inaccurate predictions and, consequently, faulty decision-making. Imagine trying to discern patterns and trends from a set of data, only to find that the noise has distorted these crucial elements. You're essentially attempting to piece together a puzzle with missing or misplaced pieces. And let's not forget about the resources wasted on chasing ghosts in the data and the missed opportunities from misinterpreted information. Noise can cause significant detours and delays in your journey to meaningful insights. So it's not just a minor annoyance, it's clear that noise in data can lead to significant repercussions. So, we've learned quite a bit about noise in data today. Let's take a moment to go over the salient points. We started by underlining the critical role of clean data. It's not just about having data, but having quality data that can provide us with accurate insights and reliable predictions. We then delved into the concept of noise in data, an often overlooked issue. It's that pesky, unwanted variability in data that can muddle our analysis. Noise can sneak in through various channels, such as measurement errors, inconsistencies in data entry, and even natural variations in the data itself. We also touched upon the significant impact of noise. It can distort our understanding, lead us astray with misleading patterns, and ultimately result in poor decision-making. In essence, maintaining clean data isn't just about tidying up, it's about preserving the integrity of our analyses and decisions. Remember, clean data is the cornerstone of effective decision-making, so keep your data clean and keep the noise out.